Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voices quiet, bodies calm. This is how we listen, this is how we listen at group time, at group time.
Feelings. You brush your middle finger right by your heart. Grumpy. You crinkle your hand over your face. Grumpy. Surprise. You show the surprise in your eyes. Silly. Use your thumb and pinky and brush your nose, because you're such a silly. Scared. Open up your fingers and show that you're really scared. Excited. Remember feelings? Well, this is excited. It's a lot of feelings. Sick. It's like your forehead or your tummy feels sick. Love. It's like you're hugging somebody you love.
Today, I feel grumpy, scared, silly, excited.
Hello, kindergarten. We're going to do our days of the week with our sign language. So first we're going to start with Sunday. Put your hands up and circle them. Sunday. Ready? We're going to make an M. 1, 2, 3, and our thumb. Turn it towards ourselves. Circle it for Monday. Ready? Now we're going to make a T, which is one finger in your thumb. Turn it towards yourself and circle it. Tuesday. Now we're going to make a W. We're going to turn it towards ourselves and circle it for Wednesday. Now we're going to make an H. And we're going to circle it for Thursday. We're going to make an F. So you put your thumb and your first finger together. You're going to turn it towards yourself and circle it for Friday. And now we're going to make an S. We're going to turn it towards ourselves and circle it for Saturday. What day of the week is today? Can you show your parents?
Today is Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday.
Friends, today is Wednesday. The month is May. The date is the 13th and the year is 2020. Let's say it together. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020.
We get it. You don't really want your kids watching videos, but it can have certain advantages. But
January to December, 12 months to remember. January, February, March, April. January to December, 12 months to remember. May, June, July, August. January to December, 12 months to remember. September, October, November, December, January to December, 12 months to remember. They go January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
What time is it?
I don't know. I'll check. It's spring. Wake up. Everybody, it's springtime. Spring is here. Spring is here. Spring is here. Spring is here. Spring is here.
Spring is here.
Spring is here.
Spring is finally here. With the snow and ice no longer seen.
The leaves are finally turning green.
That's why it's time to sing. Spring is here. 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 Spring is finally here. Spring is finally here.
The weather is. The season is.
Yay!
1, 2, 3 ABC TV.
And as a necklace, and as a nightingale, and as a nectarine, and as a nest, and as a narwhal, and as a net, and as a knight, and as a nail. It's the letter N. It's the letter N. It's the letter N. It's the letter N. N as a number. N as a notebook. N as a nose. N as a newt. N as a noodles. N as a nickel. N as a newspaper. N as a needle. It's the letter N. 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 It's the letter N.
Necklace. Nest. Net. Number. Nose. Noodles. All done.